I was about to plus verb is used to say that you were going to do something, but another event stopped you from doing it. Examples: I was about to send you a message when you called me. I was about to say something, but he interrupted me. I was about to call you, but you already called me. I was about to buy a plane ticket to Manila when something came up. I was about to cry, but Jeremy arrived to cheer me up. I was about to buy chocolates when I realized I was on a diet. I was about to leave the room when the phone rang. I was about to board the plane when I remembered I forgot my suitcase. I was about to marry him when he ran away with another girl.